Okay guys, we are playing white and this trick is something which is pretty old but very impressive and effective. So as you can see now, our rook is placed on h2 and the black queen is placed on a2, and in between we have a bishop. So we will just try to find an option by where we can apply a check to black king through our bishop and then also have a discovered attack on the queen. Okay, so the one option that I see over here is currently pushing my bishop to this c4 square, but we will not be doing that because after that queen can take us. So we will have to plan something else. The plan here is to go ahead and move the rook here, a check, and now the king has come out because that was the only option, and now you can go ahead move your bishop to this square right here. As you can see now, I can take his queen, but I will not take his queen here because my rook is in trouble. So I will safeguard my rook first, and now I can easily capture his queen. This is another option. As you can see now, we are focusing on the h diagonal wherein both our rooks are facing each other, but I will somehow have to find a way to go ahead and move this h3 pawn away and also apply a check. So the first move that comes to my mind is moving my pawn here to this square so that the king comes on this side and then we can attack. So this is the move that we played, and now he has taken. Now we can just take his pawn back, apply a check, at the same time attack his rook. Something like this. This is an amazing trick or trap, you could say. So for this you actually need to go ahead and think in future and understand what are the moves, how will the chess board look once you play these moves. So over here we are going to try and attack his queen right here. The best possible move is going back. That's what he does. And now we can apply a check to his king through two options. One is d3 and the other one is f1. So if we go d3, then he can easily move to a different square like maybe a5, and then he can also attack our king. So we can go back right here, and this is our trap. Now the king has moved forward. Now we are planning to go ahead and get his king on this b5 square, but before that we also want to come in line with his queen right here. So we can go to this a1 square right here, and this is where we wanted the king to be. Now we can directly push the pawn ahead and also attack his queen, something like this. So these were the 3 tricks that you can apply to improve your chess games. Hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more. Thank you.